Hello programmer, welcome back to another tutorial on PHP, and in a previous tutorial we learned about array and access them with their numeric index, and in this tutorial we will learn about associative array. In a previous tutorial we only give value to the array and we access them with their index key, but in associative array we have to give both key and values. Now go ahead and write some code. And here I'm gonna make a array for age. So write age. Here all this name Ram, Bob, Noraj are key, and all the age 20, 26, 23 are value. So if I want to access the age of Ram, then we have to write age Ram. In this way we can access the age of Ram. So let's print the age of Ram. And here you can see we got 20. Now if I write Bob, we got 26. And once again, in associative array we give key as well as value, and to access a value we give their key. At last, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, and I will see you on the next tutorial.